Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever Supreme review. Today I will be reviewing the shoulder bag SS19. I got the olive color and my boyfriend ordered me the black color, so I do have both that I can show today and how it looks on the body. So it should come in this packaging. This is what should be on it. It should come with this thing. The strap is on the inside. Has a zipper here. I'm gonna flip it inside out so you guys can see. I don't know if people will cringe at this for me doing this. I did see another video of them showing the bag and the inside, but on their video I didn't see that the lining on the inside came with Supreme on it as well, like the fabric right there on this side. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but yeah. I'll show the zipper one more time with the pocket. Comes with this. Nothing on this side. On this side it has Supreme, made in China. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna flip it back out, show you guys the outside pockets. So the front pocket, and oh, these also have should have the Supreme lining on the inside too. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it right there. And this side too. Right there. So this little piece right here, the gray is reflective, so like when you shine the light at night, I guess, or like your flashlight, it does reflect. So it has the logo all over. Some of them are filled in and some are just not filled in. And I will show you guys the other bag to compare. The back pocket is pretty like flat, like small. You can fit like your credit cards or ID or something in there. But yeah, the zippers are pretty good. Let me bring my other bag to show you. This one I have been using a lot because this one came in the mail first. But let me show you the pockets. Okay, yeah, so these also have the Supreme writing on the inside. Well, I don't know if other people have mentioned it in their videos, but I didn't know that it came with that. The inside, I already have things in it. Let me take them out. The same with this one, has the tag right here. Right here. inside pocket. I already have my things in here because like I said, I was already using it. In this pocket. This is where I keep my like cards. But yeah, on this one too, like it has, this is what I mean, the lining. The back right here. And I have this keychain just to add something to it. But yeah, here they are side by side. I already ruined this bag a little bit. It's already... I don't know how this happened though. So you guys can see, because it's supposed to be really good, durable material. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I don't know how that happened. But I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on the body now. On the side, maybe wear like this. For reference, I'm 5'6". The green one looks like. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do like full body because I don't have a tripod. I'm like sitting the camera on boxes. But this is, hopefully you can see like what it looks like on the whole body. Other one. Yeah. Oh, and another thing I did want to mention to you guys is that me and my boyfriend like both got shower caps, like both of our orders. And I also did order my boyfriend like undies, like the black ones, and they came in separate packages, and they both came with like their own little bag of stickers, but only one of the packages had the shower cap, but both of us got it. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if I should open this. I'll open it from this side. So this is what the shower cap looks like. So this is what the shower cap looks like. Fits all head sizes. I'm not gonna pull my hair in it, but because I have to go to work now. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you stayed for that long, Please like, subscribe. I promise my videos will get better and more reviews to come, hopefully, if I have enough money. Thank you. Bye.